national park officials suddenly awoke from slumber and descended hammers in hand on a number of resorts in Wang Nam Kio early this year, saying they had to be destroyed because they were built in an protected area. Now is Phuket. 10 resorts and hotels worth more than 2 billion baht on this world-famous island are being checked to see if they have encroached on national park land. The first resort already in hot water is Phuket Arcadia Naithorn Beach. Damrong Pidet, the Director General of the Department of National Parks, Wildlife and Plant Conservation, has filed a police complaint against Phuket Arcadia for encroaching on Sirinath National Park land. Damrong claims that 13 rai of the resort's total area of 39 rai is overlapping into the national park. The resort, however, claimed it possessed the so-called one land title deed, but Damrong says that when he inquired as to how the land deed was obtained, the resort could not provide information. On March 14 last year, Phuket Arcadia reportedly received an EIA or Environmental Impact Assessment approval from the Office of Natural Resources and Environment to construct the resort. The office claims that since it only had the responsibility to see whether the construction plan had any impact on the environment, it gave the go-ahead after finding there would be no negative impact. The office pointed out that it was not its responsibility to check whether or not the resort encroached on national park land. The other hotels and companies facing scrutiny include Central and City Development, Phuket Peninsula Spa and Resort, Pavilion Beach Resort, Suri Samrit Company, Andaman White Beach Resort, Layan Phuket, and La Caroline Company. Damrong on his part is dead serious. He said he aims to complete an investigation into the alleged encroachment before he retires in a month. To back up his words, he has appointed no less than 10 panels with 20 members each to look into the encroachment allegation against the 10 hotels and resorts. Well, the billion-dollar question is, what were the park officials doing all these months before springing into action now when construction is almost complete?